Your location, she thinks she me or something. And put on my chains, now she thinks she me or something.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be reviewing the SensationnelWhatLace Swiss Lace Wig BRIELLE in the color number 1. This is what the stock card looks like. She's like a full frontal, like a 13x6 frontal. She comes in a bunch of different colors. This is how she looks straight out of the box. She's very long, and she comes with your normal cap construction of 2 combs on each temple, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. This is also what the lace looks like up against my skin. I'm going to use my powdered foundation on the lace just so it can match me better, as well as changing my wig cap to a black wig cap before I put the wig on. So once I put the wig on, I did notice that it didn't fit my head. Like, the wig didn't come down far enough to cover my hairline. As you guys know, I have like a lower hairline, and it was very hard to pull the wig down all the way to cover like the furthest points of my hairline along with my sideburns. So today I'm going to clip the hair out of the way, and I'm going to use my Ebin Wonder Lace Adhesive Spray, and I'm going to spray that on the outside of the lace, and I'm going to melt my wig this way to help hold it a little bit better. I blow dried the spray until it got tacky, and then I tied my elastic band on just to hold the lace in place, and then I went back in with the blow dryer and I blow dried it some more, pretty much until it was completely dry. And then I started to style my hair while I let it melt just a little bit longer. So I will say that I really liked this wig. I like how it looked right out of the box. It is long, so you will experience some tangling. I experienced a lot of tangling, but like I said, when I first took it out of the box, I really loved this wig. I was glad I got it in this color number 1. I do prefer like jet black hair on myself. So my first impressions of this wig were really good. I also really liked the parting space, and the hair was soft to the touch. After I finished parting my hair, I went in with my wax stick just to flatten out the top. This part was super easy. I just used my wax stick and my curling wand to just flatten it all out. I will say that one of the things that I really didn't like about the wig, like I said, was that it didn't fit my head, and that I experienced a lot of tangling. Just like it was tangling right out of the box, but it tangled even more as I wore it. And I only had it on for about 5 days. So at the end of this video, you will see what it looks like after me wearing it and sleeping in it for 5 days, because I don't take my wigs off every day. So I continue to flatten out the top, and because this hair is already pretty much, you know, pre-styled and curled, you don't have to do much to it. So once I did that, I just took off my elastic band, and I combed out the hairs along the edges before I started to cut the lace. Once I'm done cutting off the lace with my eyebrow razor, I like to go back in with that same adhesive spray to melt the edges of the lace, just so that it helps kind of disguise that white cast. And I do like to leave extra lace to cover my hairline, like where it has its lowest points when the wig doesn't fit. This helps the wig, for me, stay on longer. So you'll see why, like, I have extra lace kind of like where my temples are, because my hairline almost touches my eyebrows in those areas, and I am going to cover that extra lace with baby hairs. So next I'm going to start by separating my baby hairs, and I'm not going to do too many, just going to do 2 on each side. So for the last step, after I finish installing the wig, I like to go in with my LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. And I just apply that with a brush and I put it in my part just to define my part. I really like how this looks. I like how it makes my part pop, so I always do this last if I need to. If I don't need to, then I won't add it. But that's going to be the last step in installing this wig, and this is the final look. So guys, this is what the wig looks like after I've had it on for a full 5 days. Like I mentioned earlier, I do sleep in my wigs, and this is what the ends look like after 5 days. I do twist my hair and clip it up, and I also sleep in a bonnet just to kind of maintain the curls on my wigs. But I did experience a lot of tangling over the course of those 5 days. For that reason alone, I would say that if you were to buy this wig, you could only wear it for short periods of times. I would suggest it for like special occasions. If you are not an experienced like synthetic wig wearer, then I just don't recommend this wig for like daily use. It is still a very beautiful wig. Like I said, I did like it. I like the parting space, and I like the construction and everything like that. The tangling bothered me so much. I didn't experience much shedding either. Like I had very minimal shedding. It was just the tangling and the wig not fitting was like my biggest issue. If I did purchase this wig again, like I said, I would only wear it for a short period of time or like a special occasion, but that would be about it. Let me know what you guys thought of this wig in the comments section. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.